Kia ora, hello, welcome. Katrin here from 2 Points, 1 Smile. Today I want to play a little game with you, or better, I encourage you to play a game. And it has to do with your brain. Your brain is an amazing tool, in my opinion, and you can use it for many different reasons. First of all, you need to know that the brain loves to learn or communicate with images. So when we are learning about any new concept, for example, the brain is immediately looking for another image that it may already have seen or that has been explained already. And you can't really, in certain circumstances, you can't really trick the brain either. So, for example, you will realize how this works with the images. If I'm telling you now to not think of a purple elephant, then all of you possibly will have in your head a lovely little bubble or cloud with a purple elephant in it. So your brain loves images. If you connect, let's say, a wish that you have or a want that you have with a joyful and grateful emotion, you connect the both, then you can actually send out that image and say, this is what I would like to see or experience. And other people call this manifesting. However, I like to say start easier by using your brain, because when people talk about manifestations or abundance, they immediately go to, I want $500,000, and that doesn't work, because the connection between your emotional part and the brain is not working perfectly, because when you immediately think of $500,000, there is a part within your mind that pops up with, no, you can't have it, and it's too much, and it will never happen, and that kind of stuff. So play a little game. Imagine, for example, a kind of car that you would like to see. Don't just say you want to have it straight away, just you want to see it. When I played that game, I was living in a place that were like 3,000 people living there. And it's not a really wealthy kind of area. And I'm not a car fan as such, but I love the Aston Martin. So I was saying, oh, I would love to see an Aston Martin. And it had to be gray. And didn't really think, I thought about the one from James Bond movie. So guess what happened? 3 days later, in that village, I saw an Aston Martin, and I just thought, wow, I love that game. It really works. The next step then you can do, once you have seen your car or your whatever, a special like suit that you want to have or anything, you can then say in the morning, I would love for somebody to invite me for coffee. Again, leaving it open, not saying I want my Aunt Margaret or I want my friend so-and-so and I don't want it at 11 o'clock. Just say, I would like somebody to invite me for coffee, and then see what happens. It's really fun. It may happen that somebody invites you for tea or for a beer instead of the coffee. However, play that game, and then you will slowly understand how your emotions connected with your brain and with the power of the universe is kind of playing a game. And as soon as you really understand it and practice it for a while, then you can also see pictures of other stuff like your dream job or a travel that you want to make, or a partner that you would like to find. But I'm always saying start with little small steps, because when we start with bigger ones, immediately there's a part in us that will block the process, because it will bring up this block or this stop sign saying, nope, that's not possible, too hard, too difficult, too expensive, all that kind of stuff, all the buts. So start with something small. Think of maybe not that pink elephant, but think of the easiest is really the car thing. And then once you have sorted that one out and practice that for a while, then you can think of somebody inviting you for a coffee, and then you go on and on. I guarantee you it is fun and it's easy to do and it's free. So why not have a go? Bye for now.